Hey guys, today we're going to be reacting to PewDiePie, and the video is going to be in the videos called Edgar Cooks Episode 1 World Chef. I'm a big fan of PewDiePie. I'm subscribed to him actually, yeah. I like PewDiePie. He's funny, he's cool, he's everything. He's the king of YouTube. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He's also the king of Minecraft too. Not Dream, because he cheats, you know. Alright, let's get through it. Bam!
This video was brought to you by Social Point.
Damn, you have COVID or something?
I'm dying.
Coronavirus.
Edgar. I'm sick. I need you
COVID?
to make the views coming.
Don't worry, Prods. I will cook you something real nice. Make you feel better. Just stay here.
Give me the views. Do this last thing for me. My child.
Brofist.
Go.
He's put it. He's in the clouds. Hey, Edgar. Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is Edgar. This 5-word stuff online. I'm gonna use all the items to cook something for PewDiePie with a little bit of my own ingredients. Something to make
Like
me
Gordon
feel better.
Ramsay?
Let's go.
Alright, time to cook. Edgar, stop.
Damn, I didn't know a dog can cook. I was joking.
So now it's time to add item number one of my secret ingredients. Alright, it's time to crack the eggs. But I don't have anything to crack the eggs with. Oh wait, item number one.
Just hit it in the pan.
Hillary Nutcracker.
Oh shit. Drop the egg on the floor, man. Try to make an omelet.
The fuck?
Damn, that looks
Item
like
number
shit.
2, salt and magic salt sprinkle. Combined with salt and thing. Yeah, awesome. You gotta have the bacon salt.
Bullshit.
It's coming in quite nicely. Grandma's favorite. Oh, she loves this shit. Alright,
Grandma
to give
don't
it
like
nice flavor.
Astronaut
Put some
food.
ice cream in it.
You got to eat some you got some oatmeal, boy.
Next item, bacon delish. The bitches love it.
Hey, that's kind of like a
yeah.
rip-off of
This is
Easy
the
Cheese. Uh-oh, shark puppet moment where he likes cheese. Yeah, I'm subscribed. I'm subscribed to Shark
Good
Puppet
stuff.
too.
Yeah, that's right. That's it.
Is that vodka? No, that's not vodka. Russian drinks. Russian beer. Yes, I heard of Russian beer, alright? Soviet Russia.
Oh boy, this is gonna be a good cake. This
Ain't
is
not
gonna be
even a
real
cake.
good cake.
Is that weed? Snoop Dogg in the chat. Smoke weed every day.
Alright, now it's item number 6 is for time to whisk the cake.
That was a sad moment right there. When you realize that you can't cook and your cooking's bad.
Wait, I think we need more tequila.
Shit. Damn, that's a messy ass fucking kitchen there you got there. You made a whole mess. He's struggling to pick up the fucking shit. Those damn robot arms.
That's it, baby. That's it.
Bro, what are you doing?
It's gonna make PewDiePie feel better.
Screwing you with your hands? They're not even cupcakes. Try to make muffins or something? I don't give a fuck.
Now let's put that shit in the oven.
It's all a mess. It looks like fucking diarrhea. Look like shit.
Let's take a quick look and
Oh
see
my
how
god,
Poach
you
is
had
doing.
to.
When Poach is sick, he likes to play World Chef. World Chef
Ah,
is a
fuck,
little really
not another
company
sponsor.
that always makes him happier. And look, even Poach is in this game. There's even the Bro Diner. Wow, you'd think he'd spend too much time on this game, but I think there's no such thing. Check out World Chef down in the description. This game is really fun. I'll give it 5 out of 5 paws for this pause. Now let's unpause.
Gotta give me a Brofist, alright? Otherwise, I don't get one. What the fucking fuck is that?
Poach, I made you this cake.
Edgar, you brought me my favorite cake.
Try it. You will feel better. I promise.
Sound like fucking Santa Claus.
Oh, it tastes nice. I feel better already.
He shoved the whole
Edgar,
thing in his mouth.
you came back to me.
Oh, that's it.
So,
That's my boy. Oh, you like that? Yeah, I bet you do. I saved your life, Poach. I saved your life.
I like how he has a movie cast and and I like how it has a like movie credit thing. Like like when the movie ends, it just has a credit. Snoop Dogg, production manager. Snoop Dogg, he ain't even in here. Obama, really? Obama wasn't in here. It was just a lie. Messy ass kitchen.
I can't move.
Not insulting PewDiePie. I'm just saying, damn, they really made a mess for a video. They make yourself an omelet, boy.
What did you do?
I'll eat it off the ground. That is gonna be it for today. Like and subscribe, and subscribe to PewDiePie, Brofist, motherfucker.